So today I'm going to show you how to actually deliver the lead magnet inside your Clickfunnels account. So when somebody opts into your list for your freebie, your checklist, your template, your 5 steps, whatever you're giving away for free, they're giving you their email address and you're giving them the freebie. How do you actually give them the freebie? So I'm going to show you how we do it right inside Clickfunnels, connected with ActiveCampaign. So let's dive in and have a look. Okay, so first off, we want to create the list inside our inside our ActiveCampaign account. So when people give you their email address, we want them to get onto our list inside ActiveCampaign. So you go to your ActiveCampaign account and you go to the left-hand side where it says lists and you click up here, add a list. So I've got one I made not long ago. So we've got, not that one, we want lead magnet. I can't find it now. Lead magnet funnel checklist. So we're going to use this one. So all you do is you click add list, you name the name of your list. The URL is where people are opting in from. So they're opting in on your website. You put your website in there. And the list description is what people will see if they wanted to get off your list. So in your description, you want to put something like, so this is for my lead magnet. I would put, you downloaded my lead magnet and put the name of it. So when they click, if they wanted to unsubscribe or they want to find out why they're on your list, that will be, it'll show them the description, it'll show them the URL, and they'll also see the list name. So you want to make sure the list name is actually what they opted in for. So you add your list there. So that is that. Then you go to your Clickfunnels account. So here's my lead magnet. So my lead magnet looks like this. So it's, are you struggling to get your lead magnet funnel live? So it tells, we've got the headline, we've got why, we've got 3 bullet points, and all we've got is enter your name and enter your email address. Tick the box to say that you agree to receive information. That's very important that you have a tick box, and they click the button to get instant access. So when they click that button, we want to deliver that lead magnet directly to them. So on the Clickfunnels account, we go edit page. And up here in settings, under integrations, let's just remove it a minute so we can add it. We've already connected our ActiveCampaign account to our Clickfunnels. So when we click integration, it will show up here, ActiveCampaign. So we tick that and then we click action and we can say add to list and we can say add to list with tag. So we'll say add to list with tag because you shouldn't add anybody to your list without having a tag, because if they have 0 tags, they will just get lost in the abyss of your email marketing. So find the list. So we want lead magnet funnel checklist. So we want that list. That is now connected. There's nothing to save. There's nothing to click. It is just, that is it. It's connected. So we click off the page. And if we go up here, we've got a green tick. So we know it is connected. And we're going to click save. So that's step 2. So step 1 was setting up the list. Step 2 is connecting your Clickfunnels to your ActiveCampaign to the right list. So when somebody fills that out, they will automatically get onto that list that we created in ActiveCampaign. So we can come out of there. And if we go back to our ActiveCampaign account, so lead magnet funnel checklist is there. That puts them on the list. But now we need to deliver the actual lead magnet. And we do that under automations. So if we click on automations, we need, I'll just create a new one to show you how you do it. So you click create an automation, and I always do start from scratch, it's easier. Click continue. Now your trigger is when somebody subscribes to the list or a tag is added. we will do subscribes to a list. This is only a test. So you want to make sure you choose the right list. So we want to find the lead magnet funnel checklist. We want it set as once and we click add start. Then what we want to do is as soon as they get on that list, we want to send them an email. So we'll say create an email, deliver lead magnet, email 1. Then you would write out your email. So if you haven't got an email, you'd have to start from scratch. You can start from scratch, or you can just do any. If you've got already templates in your account, you can use one of those, or if you need to start a fresh one. So let's just we'll just use this one for now. So you put who it's coming from. So is it coming from 5-Step Funnels, or is it coming from you? You can put Polly 5-Step Funnels. Make sure you've got your email address in here. Email subject line is super, super important. I always like to put an emoji. So it was a checklist. So we're going to put a checklist emoji. I'm going to put your checklist is here. We're going to put their name in as well, because it's really important to always use people's first names, and an emoji in your subject line. Then we're going to click continue. When it works. And then we're going to write the email out that we want them to have. So this is another one for another cheat sheet that I've got. So I write the email, tell them why they want it, give them a big button so they can click to download it, and they can click the link here. So if you had that here, you link it with this link button and you put your link in here. Now what I do is I keep all my downloads in Google Drive. So I upload them to the Google Drive. I have a folder just for lead magnets. I upload them to Google Drive and I click to share the button, click to share the document in Google Drive. Make sure it's set as view only. And you click share and Google Drive will give you a link, a really big, massive, long link. But you don't want to paste the whole link in here because it looks so ugly. So that's why we highlight a word, we click that link and we put the link in there. So you can see that's view only sharing. This is a big long Google Drive link that we've got here. Google Drive link. And the same on the button. So if you insert a button over here, you can click in the link. So when somebody clicks the button, they get taken to your download and it'll open up the PDF and then they can click to download it. And that is how you deliver a lead magnet. So that is how you deliver a lead magnet using ClickFunnels for the opt-in and the delivery through ActiveCampaign. So I hope you found this super, super useful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like so you can get more tips, tricks all about funnels, chatbots, and email automations. Catch you later.